ॐ वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यङ्करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। अथ द्वितीयोऽध्यायः प्रथमः पादः।
अथ द्वितीयोऽध्यायः प्रथमः पादः।
समर्थः पदविधिः।
समर्थः पदविधिः।
शुभामन्त्रिते पराङ्गवत्स्वरे।
शुभामन्त्रिते पराङ्गवत्स्वरे।
प्राक्कडारात् समासः।
प्राक्कडारात् समासः।
सहसुपा
सहसुपा
अव्ययी भावः।
अव्ययी भावः।
अव्ययं विभक्ति समीप समृद्धिवृद्ध्यर्थाभावादया सम्प्रति शब्द प्रादुर्भाव पश्चादतानुपूर्वयोगपद्य सादृश्य सम्पत्ति साकल्यान्तवचनेषु।
अव्ययं विभक्ति समीप समृद्धिवृद्ध्यर्थाभावाद्यया सम्प्रति शब्द प्रादुर्भाव पश्चात् यथानुपूर्व्य यौगपद्य सादृश्य सम्पत्ति साकल्यान्तवचनेषु
यथा सादृश्ये
तासादृश्ये
यावदवधारणे सुप्रतिनामात्रार्थे अक्षशलाका संख्याः परिणाम।
अक्षशलाका संख्या परिणाम।
इसमें वॉइस क्लियर?
यस जी।
विभाषा अपपरिबगिरञ्च वः पंचम्या।
परिबहिरञ्च वः पञ्चम्या।
आङ्मर्यादाभिविद्योगो
आङ्मर्यादाभिविद्योः
लक्षणेनाभिप्रति आभिमुख्ये
लक्षणेनाभिप्रति आभिमुख्ये
अनुर्यत्समया
अनुर्यत्समया
यस्य चायामः
स्य चायामः
तिष्ठद्गुप्रवृत्तीनि च
तिष्ठद्गुप्रभृतीनि च
पारे मध्ये षष्ट्या वा
पारे मध्ये षष्ट्या वा
संख्यावंश्येन
ख्यावंश्येन
नदीभिश्च
नदीभिश्च
अन्यपदार्थे च संज्ञायाम्
अन्यपदार्थे च संज्ञायाम्
तत्पुरुषः
तत्पुरुषः
द्विगुश्च
दिगुश्च
द्वितीया शतातीतपतितगतात्यस्तप्राप्तापन्नैः
द्वितीयाशितातीतपतितगताद्यस्तप्राप्तापन्नैः
स्वयं तेन
अयं तेन
खट्वाक्षेपे
त्वाक्षेपे
सामी
आमि
कालाः
अलाः
अत्यन्तसंयोगे च
अत्यन्तसंयोगे च
तृतीया तत्कृतार्थेन गुणवचनेन
तिया तत्कृतार्थेन गुणवचनेन
पूर्वसदृशसमोनार्थकलह निपुणमिश्रश्लक्ष्णैः
पूर्वसदृशसमोनार्थकलहनिपुणमिश्रश्लक्ष्णैः
कर्तृकरणे कृता बहुलम्
कर्तृकरणे कृता बहुलम्
कृत्यैरधिकार्थवचने
कृत्यैरधिकार्थवचने
अन्नेन व्यञ्जनम्
अन्येन व्यञ्जनम्
भक्ष्येण मिश्रीकरणम्
भक्ष्येण मिश्रीकरणम्
चतुर्थी तदर्थार्थफलिहितः सुखरक्षितैः
चतुर्थी तदर्थार्थबलिहितसुखरक्षितैः
पञ्चमी भयेन
पञ्चमी भयेन
अपेतापोडमुक्तपतितापत्रस्तैरल्पशः
अपेतापोडमुक्तपतितापत्रस्तैरल्पशः
स्तोकान्तिकदूरार्थकृच्छ्रानित्थेन सप्तमी शौण्डैः
सप्तमी शौण्डैः
सिद्धशुष्कपक्वबन्धैश्च
सिद्धशुष्कपक्वबन्धैश्च
द्वाङ्क्षेण क्षेपे
काङ्क्षेण क्षेपे
कृत्यैरुणे
येर्णे
संज्ञायाम्
ज्ञायाम्
सेनाहोरात्रावयवाः
तेनाहोरात्रावयवाः
तत्र
तत्र
क्षेपे
क्षेपे
पात्रे समितादयश्च
मात्रे समितादयश्च
पूर्वकालैकसर्वजरत्पुराणनवकेवलाः समानाधिकरणेन
पूर्वकालैकसर्वजरत्पुराणनवकेवलाः समानाधिकरणेन
दिक्सङ्ख्ये संज्ञायाम्
सङ्ख्ये संज्ञायाम्
तद्धितार्थोत्तरपदसमाहारे च
तद्धितार्थोत्तरपदसमाहारे च
द्वन्द्वतत्पुरुषयोः उत्तरपदे नित्यसमासवचनम्
द्वन्द्वतत्पुरुषयोः उत्तरपदे नित्यसमासवचनम्
सङ्ख्यापूर्वोद्विगुः
सङ्ख्यापूर्वो द्विगुः
कुत्सितानि कुत्सनैः
स्थितानि कुत्सनैः
आपानके कुत्सितैः
अपाणके कुत्सितैः
उपमानानि सामान्यवचनैः
उपमानानि सामान्यवचनैः
उपमितं व्याघ्रादिभिः सामान्या प्रयोगे
उपमितं व्याघ्राद्भिः सामान्या प्रयोगे
विशेषणं विशेष्येण बहुलम्
शेषणं विशेष्येण बहुलम्
पूर्वापर प्रथमचर्म जगन्यसमानमध्यमध्यमवीराश्च
पूर्वापरप्रथमचरमजगन्यसमानमध्यमध्यमवीराश्च
श्रेण्यादयः कृतादिभिः
श्रेण्यादयः कृतादिभिः
तेन नन् विशिष्टेनानन्
विशिष्टेनानन्
शाकपार्थिवादीनां सिद्धये उत्तरपदलोपस्य उपसङ्ख्यानम्
शाक्तपार्थिवादीनां सिद्धये उत्तरपदलोपस्योपसङ्ख्यानम्
सन्महत्परमोत्तमोत्कृष्टाः पूज्यमानैः
महत्परमोत्तमोत्कृष्टाः पूज्यमानैः
वृन्दारकनागकुञ्जरैः पूज्यमानम्
दारकनागकुञ्जरैः पूज्यमानम्
कतरकतमो जातिपरिप्रश्ने
कतरकतमौ जातिपरिप्रश्ने
किं क्षेपे
क्षेपे
कोटा युवतिस्तोककतिपयदृष्टिदेन वशावेगद्भष्कयने प्रवक्तृश्रोत्रियाध्यापक दूर्तैर्जातिः
कोटा युवतिस्तोककतिपयदृष्टिदेन वशावेहद्वष्कयनि प्रवृत्तश्रोत्रियाध्यापक धूर्तैर्जातिः
प्रशंसावचनैश्च
प्रशंसावचनैश्च
युवा खल्लति मलिनजरतीभिः
वाखलति पलितवलिनजरतीभिः
वृत्तितुल्याख्या अजात्या
कृत्यतुल्याख्या अजात्या
वर्णो वर्णेन
वर्णो वर्णेन
कुमारश्रमणादिभिः
कुमारश्रमणादिभिः
चतुष्पादो गर्भिण्या
तुष्पादो गर्भिण्या
मयूरविंसकादयश्च
यूरविंसकादयश्च
इति पाणिनीयसूत्रपाठे द्वितीयाध्यायस्य प्रथमः पादः
पाणिनीयसूत्रपाठे द्वितीयाध्यायस्य प्रथमः पादः
द्वितीयः पादः
द्वितीयः पादः
पूर्वापराधरोत्तरमेकदेशनैकाधिकरणे
पूर्वापराधरोत्तरमेकदेशि नैकाधिकरणे
अर्धं नपुंसकम्
अर्धं नपुंसकम्
द्वितीय तृतीय चतुर्थतुर्यान्यन्यतरस्याम्
द्वितीय तृतीय चतुर्थतुर्यानन्यतरस्याम्
प्राप्तापन्ने च द्वितीयया
प्राप्तापन्ने च द्वितीयया
कालाः परिमाणिना
कालाः परिमाणिना
नञ्ज
नञ्
ईषदकृताम्
ईषदकृता
षष्ठी
षष्ठी
याजकादिभिश्च
याजकादिभिश्च
न निर्धारणे
न निर्धारणे
पूरणगुणसहितार्थसदव्ययतव्यसमानाधिकरणेन
पूरणगुणसहितार्थसदव्ययतव्यसमानाधिकरणेन
तेन च पूजायाम्
तेन च पूजायाम्
अधिकरणवाचिना च
अधिकरणवाचिना च
कर्मणि च
कर्मणि च
सृजकाभ्यां कर्तरि
सृजकाभ्यां
कर्तरि च
कर्तरि च
नित्यं क्रीडाजीविकयोः
नित्यं क्रीडाजीविकयोः
सुगतिप्रादयः
सुगतिप्रादयः
उपपदमतिम्
उपपदमतिम्
अमैवागजेन
अमैवाव्ययेन
तृतीया प्रवृत्तिन्यन्यतरस्याम्
तृतीया प्रभृतिनन्यतरस्याम्
त्वा च
त्वाच
त्वाच
शेषो बहुव्रीहिः
शेषो
शेषो
बहुव्रीहिः
देहिः
अनेकमन्यपदार्थे
अनेकमन्यपदार्थे
पदार्थे
संख्यया व्यासन्नादोरादिकसंख्याः संख्येये
संख्यया व्यया सन्नादोराधिकसंख्या संख्येये
दिङ्नामान्यन्तराले
दिङ्नामान्यन्तराले
तत्र तेनेदमिति स्वरूपे
तत्र तेन दमिति स्वरूपे
तेन सहेति तुल्ययोगे
तेन
तेन
सह
सहेति तुल्ययोगे
चार्थे द्वन्द्वः
चार्थे द्वन्द्वः
उपसर्जनं पूर्वम्
उपसर्जन पूर्वम्
राजदन्तादिषु परम्
राजदन्तादिषु परम्
द्वन्द्वे घी
द्वन्द्वे
अजाद्यदन्तम्
अजाद्यदन्तम्
अल्पाच्तरम्
अल्पाच्तरम्
अल्पास्तरम्
सप्तमी विशेषणे बहुव्रीगौ
सप्तमी विशेषणे बहुव्रीहि
व्रीहौ
निष्ठा
निष्ठा
वागिताग्न्यादिषु
वागिताग्निषु
कडाराक्षर्मधारये
कडारा कर्मधारये
इति पाणिनीयसूत्रपाठे द्वितीयाध्यायस्य द्वितीयः पादः
इति पाणिनीयसूत्रपाठे द्वितीयाध्यायस्य द्वितीयः
द्वितीयः
पादः
पादः
द्वितीयाध्यायस्य प्रथमपादस्य सूत्राणि समाहितानि. All the sutras covered. Means Avibhava Samasa, Tat Purushaha, within Tat Purusha Diguhu, Karmadarayaha. The samasas which are dealt in the first section of the second chapter. Then and Dvitiya Padaha up to the Sutra, 17th Sutra we have done. Now, the next topic starts from 18th. 18th onwards we have to see. So 18th Sutra till the end of this section. Bearing the Supasarjanam, the topic. Or Samasa Kugati Pradayaha, that also comes under Kugati Pradaya also type of Tatpurusha. Because Tatpurusha, the Sanya goes Tatpurusha starting from here 2 to 22. So therefore, all these are Tatpurusha only. So Kugati Pradaya is 2 to 18. So that is also Tatpurusha. So Kugati Pradaya, Tatpurusha, and Upapada Mating, Upapada Samasa up to 22. Then comes Sheshaha Bahurihi, then Bahuri Samasa. So now we have to see Kugati Pradayaha, 2 to 18 Sutra. So here three words are involved. Kugati Pradayaha. First let us take Ku, then Gati. Gati is a big topic because the Gati, the Sanya is defined in the 1-4 section. There are many sutras, the Gati, the word coming as Anuvrittis. Therefore, we need to know what is Gati. Then Pradi, of course, Pradaya also. So let us take first Kugati Pradaya. So I'm going to type and show you. First Sutra, 2 to 18. Second section, second chapter second section 18th sutra Kugati Pradeyaha. Kugati Pradeyaha sutra. Ku is a shabda. Kugati Pradeyaha. Kugati Pradeyaha. It is 1, 3. Prathama Vibhakti Bhagavachanam. Kugati Pradeyaha. And we can bring the Anuvritti Nityam. Nityam Samasyanti. Nityam, the word coming as Anuvritti from the previous sutra. So therefore Nitya Samasa. Kugati Pradeyaha. Nityam. Nityam is bringing that word Nityam as Anuvritti. Nityam is Kriya Visheshanam. Because it is Kriya Visheshanam, adverb, adverbial, therefore, Vidya Bhakti Ekavachanam. Kriya Visheshanatvad, Nityam Krida Jivika Yogo, from that sutra, this Nityam coming as Anuvritti. Why this is Anuvritti? So Nityam Krida, from that Krida Jivika Yogo, Nityam Nitya Samasa. Of course, all the other words coming as Anuvritti, which are not written in the Anuvritti, or within bracket, I will put this Nityam. Nityam is Kriya Visheshanam to one. It's coming as Anuvritti from here, the sutra. Of course, the Samartha Padavidihi, Samasaha, Sahasupa, Tatpurushaha, all these words coming as Anuvritti. Then Kugati Pradeha, if you, what is this word? Kugati Pradeha. It is iterated Dvandva Samasa. Kuscha is Kuhu. Kuhu cha, Gatihi cha, Pradeha cha. Becomes Kugati Pradeha. The iterated Dvandva Samasa. And Pradeha is, this is iterator Dvandva. Iterator Dvandva. And Pradeha, the word is, what is Pradeha then? Pradeha is Pradihi. Pradi is, it's Bhaguri. Pra Adihi. Yesham. Te. Pradeha. Therefore, this is Bhaguri. Just Bhagu. Therefore, this is Bhaguvrihi Garbha Itaretra Dvandva Samasaha. Kugati Pradeha is Bhaguvrihi Garbha Itaretra Dvandva Samasaha. Okay, see, Siddhanta Kaumadi, just kind of simple vritti. Ete referring to Kugati Pradeyaha. Samartena Nityam Samasyante, simple. Nityam Samasyante Nitya Samasaha. I read the Siddhanta Kaumadi. Of course, we will see Kashika also. Ete, that is Kugati Pradeyaha. Samartena Subantena Padena Nityam Samasyante. Then the Kashika says, Kashika is a little elaboration. You have to see. Nityam iti anuvartate. Kushabdaha yam parigagyate. Gatyadinigi sagacharyat. Nadrabhyavacharaha. Kugati pradeva samartena shabdantarena. Shabdantarena subantena. Itsaha nityam samasyante. Tat purushaha samasaha bhavati. Now we will see only ku. So therefore, two examples only we'll take up first. Then Gati Pradeha, then you can see. We are going to see only ku. Kashika. All the examples which are given in the Kashika, we will see that later. Now, Nityamiti vartate anuvartate. Ku shabdah ayam parigrihyate gatyadibihi sahacharyat na dravya vachanaha iti. This ku shabdah, I will write ku shabdah gati sanyakaha shabdaha, then pradeyaha shabdaha. Simple vritti. Our vritti we can write like this. That is here I will write our vritti. Simple vritti. Our understanding based on general formation of the vritti. So ku is a shabda, ku shabda, kutsitarte ku shabda. And gati is a sanya. Gati sanyakaha shabdaha. Then pradeyaha shabdaha. Iti, this is what ete in the Siddhanta Kaumudi. Iti ete subantaha. Iti ete subantaha samarthena subantena saha nityam samasyante. Nityam samasyante, and that becomes tatpurushaha samasaha bhavati. So this vritti must be more clear than the simple vritti. So the words ku and the words which have the sanya gati and the words pradi, they must combine, necessarily combine. So it's samartha subanta pada to form a tatpurusha samasa. And the Kashika Kara says ku shabdaha ayam avyayam parigrihyate gatyadihi sagacharya. What is this ku shabda? Ku shabda is avyayam. But where it is avyayam, tu is, you'll see that. Ku shabda is avyayam. This ku shabda, translation of this Kashika is this ku shabda is parigrihyate, is understood to be. Is understood to be an avyaya. An avyayam. Is understood to be an avyayam here. Not a noun. Because ku means Prithvi, not a noun, which means not earth. Because ku has the meaning of Prithvi. So here we should not take the ku to be Prithvi. Here it is avyaya. So it doesn't refer to the noun. Why? The reason is gatyadibihi sagacharya. On account of the word, the ku. On account of the word, is ku shabda, to being seen. Gatyadibihi sagacharya. To being seen with the words gati, because gati is avyayam, we'll see gati and pradi. Because yes, the seen in the sutra along with gati and pradi, and gati and pradi are avyayas, they are avyayam. So therefore in this sutra. Here the ku shabda to be taken as avyayam. Now, gati is avyayam, yes. How do you know gati is avyayam? Gati pradi, you can check the section 1.4. There gati and pradayaha are defined. Gati is a sanya. Pragrishvara nipataha, we are going to see that. So nipataha swaradi nipatam avyayam. the first section, it is defined. Pragrishvara Nipataha, the sutra we will see. The last class I just mentioned what it is. The Nipata, Swaradi Nipatam and Nipatanam, they are different. Nipatanam is ready-made words. Nipataha is Abhiya, the Sanya. Swaradi Nipatam Abhiyam is 1137. So all these are Nipataha. Nipataha are Abhiya. Then Chadeyaha Asatve, then Pradeyaha. So Pradeyaha, the words of the Pradigana, Abhiya, and they get the Sanya Upasarga, Kriya Yoge. And Gatischa Abhiyam Bhavati Nipataha, therefore Abhiya. So Gati is therefore Abhiya. Pradeyaha Abhiya. So therefore Gatyadibhika Sagachadiyat Kushabdaha api Avyayam iti Parigrigyate. It is understood to be Avyaya. And this Shabda, Kushabda, can be seen in the Swaradi Gana. Ganapata, if you take the word to Swaradi Nipatam Abhiya. Swaradi. Here you will see Kushabda. Here it is Kushabdaha Abhiyam. So it is there very well. Swaradi also is Abhiya. Who is a Swaradi Nipatam Abhiyam. Therefore we can know Kushabda is Swaradi Nipatam Abhiyam. Kushabda is an Abhiyam by Swaradi Nipata Abhiyam, which is Sutra 1, first chapter, first 136. I think 1136, 37. Okay, then this one, what meaning the Kushabda is used? Kushabda is Utsitarte, Paparte, Ku. The word Ku is Kushabdaha. In the thing in the Kashika it is given, or Sutra Pataha, 18. Kuhu, Paparte. So Kuhu, Paparte. Kushabdahayam Parigritya Alinga Sankyata Abhyayam Nato Nipateshu Patat na Dravyavachana. Iti Prativyado Yaha Dravyavatate Tasya Atra Kakadam na Bhavati. Okay. So this says Kushabdaha, there is a Vakya. Vakya again from the commentary only it is taken. Kushabdaha is Kuhu is Papa Utsa Ishadarta 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 Nivaraneshu Swaradihi Etatu Swaradihi Etatu. So Kuhu is, in this meaning it is used. Kuhu Papa Utsa Ishadartha Nivarneshu Swaradihi. It is in that meaning in this Swaradi Gana. Not Dravyavachi, not Prativi, meaning any noun. Prativi. So now the word Ku, Utsa means Ninda, Papa means no. So Papa is papam. Kutsa is ninda. Ishadartha is a little. So kutsa is equal to ninda. And Ishadartha is Ishadarte. Ishad means little. So kutsitarte अथवा पापार्थे और ईशदर्थे is two shabdaha prayujyate. Ishadarte. There is a statement in the Kashika. Or here, let's see. Two Kushabdaha. Generally, these are attributive words, but they are also found elsewhere. So, they are attributive words. Upadi Vachanam. There is Padamanjari or somewhere taken this. They are Upadi Vachanam. Anyway, all right. This Kushabda is the Kushabdaha. Um, the sentence it's Kuhu. Paparte is an Upadi Vachanam. Upadi Vachanam, the Kashika, the also it is translated attributive words. So Upadi Vachanam. That Upadi Vachanam is being qualified here as the usual meaning of who. So Praikam cha etat Upadi Vachanam. Praikam etat Upadi Vachanam. This word who Shabda is Raikam generally it is used in it is it is an attributive word. That is Kuhu Papa Kutsa Ishadartha in this meaning it is used. And it is this is the general meaning. In this Upadi Vachana, this is Upadi Vachana. Papa Kutsa Ishadartha Nivaraneshu Arteshu this is Upadi Vachana. In this meaning only the word Ku is generally used. But there are other meanings in which Ku also used. Anyatrapi, Anyatrapi Samasaha Drishyate in other. In this meaning, they are used in Samasa, but Anyatrapi, in Samasa, you will see another meaning also. Kushabda is seen compound in other meanings also. Kushabdaha. Kushabda is seen in other meanings also in Samasa. Kushabda is seen. We'll see example. All will see example. Papa Kutsa Ishadartha example. In other meanings also we will see example. Now let us take
What is that Nivarana, Shiji?
Nivaranam, prevention, prohibition. Now, the other examples we will see for all. Let's take the stock example. Kutsitaha. Kutsitaha Purushaha. We are going to compound this. We are going to compound this Yasta padam, when we compound samasa is nitya samasa. Because we know it is nityam samasyate. So kutsitaha purushaha. Kutsita is nindita, dushta, papi. In that meaning, papa purushaha. It should be avoided. Nivarana should be removed. Now, how do you combine this kutsitaha purushaha? By kugati pradeha, the samasa can be formed, and samasa is nitya samasa. So kutsitaha, arte kuhu shabdaha, therefore ku plus su. Then purusha plus su. Now, why we place ku first? Because kugati pradeha in the sutra, it is pratama vibhakti. Therefore, upasarjanatvat, purvam, therefore ku is placed first, right? Ku plus
Yes.
su, purusha plus su. The whole thing is a pratipadikam, is a compound. Supodhatu pratipadikyoho look. Therefore, pratyasya look bhavati. Then you get ku purusha. If sandhi possible, we have to do here. We get some more rules are there that we'll see. In some other meaning, it is we're going to see all those things. So ku purusha you get. Now ku purusha is it's a compound. So ku purusha. Then we can add supratya suvavja samavsha. So you get ku purushaha. Ku purusha. So kutsitaha purushaha. Ku purusha. Similarly, kutsitaha putraha will become. It will become what?
Kuputraha. Kuputraha.
Same. Kuputraha. Kutsita mata. Kuputraha bhavati. Kumata na bhavati. Matra panchakam.
Yeah.
Bhashikara says, Shankaracharya says, Kutsita mata is Kumata. Then Kutsitaha. All these examples are given. Kutsitaha parikshaha. Parikshakaha. Becomes the Niti Shatakam iti there. Kutsyaha syukku parikshaha. Namanayo yehi ardhataha patitaha. Yeir arghataha patitaha. So, kuparikshaha, this word occurs in Niti Shatakam. Kuparikshakaha iti. Then kutsita drishti, always fault finding, always you have dosha darshanam. Dosha darshanam is, Vedanta it is different. It is fault finding. Kudrishtihi, right? Kutsita drishtihi, see the gender in keeping with the Uttarapada. Kutsita mata, kutskumata. Kutsita drishti, drishtihi is Trilinga, the fourth. Kutsita drishtihi. There is a, yeah, there's a shloka in the Panchatantra that you will see all the words in the shloka, like Kudrishtam, Kuparignatam, Kushitam, Kuparikshitam, Tannarena, Na Kartavyam, Napitena, Napitenatra, Yat Kritam. This is from Panchatantra. Panchatantra. Kudrishtam, Kuparignatam, Kushritam, Kuparikshitam. Tannarena, Na Kartavyam, Napitenatra Yat Kritam. Napitena Yatkritam Tata Narayana Kartavyam. Means the man should not do as the Napita. Napita is barber. The man should not do like the barber. What? Kudrishtam. Kudrishtam is not seeing properly. Kutsitam Drishtam. Kudrishtam. Kuparignatam, not examining, not understanding properly, without any proper knowledge. Kutsitam parignatam. Then kushrutam, not listening properly. Kutsitam shrutam. Then kuparikshitam, not analyzing properly. So this shloka occurs in Panchatantra where you can see it's samasa. Sugati pradayaha. Okay, this is a shloka which is quoted for this Kugati Pradeyaha. So ku papa te ku purusha, that example given. Gati Pradaya Khandal we will see. So regarding ku only this much, but it is not this much. There are some more there. Because what happens to the ku because of the following word, you have to see. Because of the following word, ku shabda changes into something. There are some examples we will see. In the 6th chapter, 3rd section. 6th chapter, 3rd section, what does it deal with? 6.3. What is the topic of 6.3?
Uttarapada.
Huh?
Uttarapada.
Aluk Uttarapade, right? Aluk Uttarapade. But the Aluk Uttarapade stops at 90 or something. 139. Aluk Uttarapade, 139. Okay. Uttarapade, I mean, goes up to the one end. Aluk stops at 124. Okay. Aluk stops at 24. Uttarapade, of course. Right. Now here, 6.3 section. You see the sutram beginning with yeah, here it is. Koho kat tat purushe achi. Koho means what? Ku. Ku shabdasya shashti bhakti. Koho, right? Guroho. Koho. Ku will become kat. Ku will be replaced by kat. Where? Tat purushe. In tat purush samasa. When followed by achi. Now the ku shabda undergoing change are seen here. Koho begins 108 up to 108. Therefore, we have to see all the sutra 1012, 108. What are the changes happening to Kushabda in a compound? Tat Purushayach. The compound and specifically when followed by some words. So this is the next topic. So 6.3 section. So the sutras we will see, all the sutras. Simple meaning and then with some example. Now, changes happening to Ku. That will be the next topic. Changes happening to Ku Shabda in a compound. We are seeing in a compound. So that is the next topic. But for the first sutram is 63101. Let us see the website. 63. I don't have time to prepare that, so I'm doing it now. 63101. Koho kat tat purushe achi. You can just copy the Kashika Vritti. Sutra is Koho kat tat purushe achi. Six 3101. Koho is Ku Shabda. Ku Shabda. Ku iti etasya kat iti ayam adesha bhavati. Kada tat purushe samase ajadau uttarapade. We'll see some of the examples. Kashika. We take Ku iti etasya kat. So Ku will be replaced by kat. This adesha will happen. Samase. Udaharanam. Directly we go to the examples. Like we can take the example. The Kashika example, Kadajaha. What is Kadajaha? See Kashika. First example is Kadajaha. What is Kadajaha? Ku has become Kat. So Kat plus Ajaha. Ajaha, goat. So Kutsitaha Ajaha. So therefore, the Vestapadam is Kutsitaha ajaha. Kutsitaha ajaha in the compound. So that will be ku plus su, then aja plus su. We know the steps. Supodhatu, Pratipadika, look, etc. When you apply, this whole thing is a compound. So this here only we say Ekadesha Udutta Mananyata because the Pratyaya, sorry, elided doesn't lose its Pratipadikatvam, therefore Pratipadika only, therefore Ku, Aja. Now Uttarapada is a Tatpurusha compound, therefore Tatpurusha, Uttarapada is beginning with vowel, therefore Achi Pare, Ku Shabdasya Kat Adesha Bhavati by this Sutra 63101. Therefore Kat plus Aja. Kat is a Padam, Pratyay Lope, Pratyay Lakshana. Nalamatangasya, but Ku is a Padam, Aja is also a Padam. Therefore, when Ku is replaced by Kat, that is also a Padam. So therefore, Kat being a Padam can apply Jalam just Jashi. By that we get Kad, then Aja. Therefore, we get Kadaja. So Kadaja plus Su. Then we can decline Kadaja plus Su will become Kadajaha. Understand?
Yeah.
Sutras I am not writing, you know.
Yes.
Supasarjane Purvam, Samase Patamandu Upasarjanam, Supodhatu Pratipadike, look, then Ekadesha Kutta all those steps are common. The specific sutra is Koho Katat Purushe Achi. That is the sutra. So when followed by vowel, this change happens. Therefore, Kadajaha. Similarly, the other examples, so if I say you'll be able to write, you'll be able to say Kutsitaha Ashvaha become what?
Kudashva.
Ashvaha.
Kutsitaha Ashvaha becomes
Kudashva.
Kashva.
not Kudashvaha,
Kadashva.
Kadashvaha. Right?
Kada, sorry.
Who will become Ka? That's what we said, no? That's what discussion is.
Yes.
Who will be replaced by? Similarly,
Kat.
Kutsitaha Ushtraha becomes
Okay.
Kadash. Kadushtra.
Kadu becomes
Kadushva.
Kat plus U, Kadu, Kadushtraha. Right? Similarly, Kutsitam Annam becomes
Annam.
Kadannam.
Kadannam. Kutsitam Annam Kadannam. Any other examples given in the Kashika? Okay, all the examples are given. Kadajaha, Kadashvaha, Kadushtraha, Kadannam. Tatpurishe iti kim Kushtraha Raja. Here we cannot make the compound. Here it is not Tatpurusha. I think it is Kushtraha. Kushtraha. Kushtraha Raja. Okay, this is not Tatpurusha. Kushtraha Raja. Let us see what meaning is. Kushtraha Raja. Tatpurusha. Okay, this Kushtraha is Kushtraha, the Bhaguri compound. Sorry. Raja is qualified by a word here. Here there is a mistake, not Kushtraha. Kushtraha already, here it is Kushtraha. This is not a Tatpurusha. Therefore, Kushtraha is possible. Okay, this is interesting. This also right. This is it's a mistake in the. There are many typos in this website. Tatpurusha iti kim Kushtraha Raja. Now, how Kushtraha comes? Kashika is so intelligent. I mean, he uses a word, but we have to understand what it means. Kushtro Raja. What is Kushtro Raja? In Kushtraha Raja. Can Kushtraha the word? Is it possible? Can I such word Kushtraha Raja? Kushtraha is what? Pushtraha is,
Kutsitaha.
see, what we said, here it is, sorry, it is, Pushtraha is Pushtraha only. Okay. Pushtraha Raja. The Kutsitaha, Pushtraha, we said, followed by the vowel who will be replaced by Kat
Kat.
in Tatpurusha. But here it is not Tatpurusha. So if it is not Tatpurusha, suppose, assume this is not Tatpurusha, then Ku and Ushtraha will be, then you get what? Kushtraha. Right?
Hmm.
Sorry. The website is, there is not mistake here, but it's correct only. Kushtraha. Yeah. I didn't see this properly. So Kushtraha, when this is Kushtraha, the word is possible. When it is not a Tatpurusha. If it is a Tatpurusha, then it should be other compound. Then what other compound? Tatpurusha is, if it is not Tatpurusha, is it Abhibhava? No. Then what it is not Dvanda Samasa. So it has to be, it's qualifying the Raja. Therefore, Kutsitaha, Ushtraha, the Raja who has the Ushtra, the camel, which is Kutsitaha. So Kutsitaha, Ushtraha, Yasya Saha, Raja becomes Kushtraha. Kutsitaha, Ushtraha, Yasya Saha becomes Kushtraha. Here the Ku will not be replaced by Kat because this is not a Tatpurusha. Therefore, Kushtro Raja. This is the Vigraha for Kushtraha here is Kutsitaha, Ushtraha, Yasya Saha. So here Ku is not replaced by Kat because compound is Bahuvri. Understand?
So
Raja,
Raja who is having the
Dushta Ashwa, Dushta camel. Okay.
camel.
The Raja is qualified by the word Kushtraha, the one, the Raja who has Dushta Ushtra, camel.
Camel. Okay.
Dushta Ushtra who has that person, Kushtraha, whether it is Raja or whatever it may be, right? Then in Kashika, why we say achieve alone, only when followed by verbal. Achi iti kim? Brahmanaha. Brahmanaha is beginning with the word begins with consonant. Therefore, here ku will not be replaced by kat. So only ku purushaha itself we can take. These are counter example. Achi iti kim? Why achi is said? Because Kashika will explains only through example. We will not explain the example. Example we need to understand. Achi iti kim? Ku brahmanaha, ku purushaha. Ku purusha already example we saw. Kutsitaha brahmanaha, kutsitaha purushaha. So here it is followed by a consonant. Okay. Then okay. Kadbave trau. Okay, here. Trau is then it means trau upasankhyanam. So here one more. This is upasankhyanam means what is this? This is a upasankyanam. It is said. What is that? Kashika, you should be able to understand right now. Upasankhyanam means it is a vartikam. Okay. Should be enumerated. Kadbave. When who becomes Kad, that's called Kadbhava. Upasankhyanam is should be enumerated. Therefore, it's a Vartikam. The Vartikam is Traucha. In fact, you can say Traucha. The word, Trau means Traucha, Traupare means three follows. When the Shabda three follows two, then also what will happen? When then also what will happen? The two will be replaced by Kat. So here it would be Kutsitaha, Trayaha is equal to, it will become, who will be replaced by Kat. Therefore, Kat Trayaha, Kat Trayaha. This is the example given in the Kashika. So upasankyanam. Kadbhave trau upasankyanam kutsitaha trayaha katrayaha. You type traucha, it will come. That's a Vartika. Here it is given. Traucha. Okay. That is what Kashika says. Here Siddhanta Kambari, I think you would mention traucha Vartikam. So this I will write. Kutsitaha trayaha. So the Vartika is traucha. And Kashika he says Kadbhave trau upasankyanam. Trau means trau is Saptami. Trau follows. What is the Pratipadikam? Three. Three means the three Shabda. So Kutsitaha Trayaha. This becomes who will be replaced by Kat, therefore Kat Trayaha. Okay. That three which are Kutsitaha, Dushtaha. That's called Kutsit Kat Trayaha. Okay. Siddhanta Kaumudi Sarkara says, Traucha. Kashika, we have seen all the words. So then the next sutra, 6101. So Ku will become Kat when Tatpurusha. And the Tatpurusha when Ajadi Uttarapade. Then Trocha Vartikam. The next sutra is Ratavada Yoscha. The sutra we will see. Ratavada Yoscha. All simple sutras. 63102. Ratavada Yoscha. What does it mean? Kashika says, let's see. Rata is the word Rata. Rata and Ratavada Yoscha. Ratavada. In a Tatpurusha context, Ku Shabda will be replaced by Kat when Ratha and Vada follows Uttarapada Yoga. Radha Vada iti etayoho cha Uttarapada Yogo. Then Koho Kugustane Kat ityayam adesha bhavati. Yata Kutsitaha Rataha will become Kadat Rataha. Kutsitaha Vadaha will become Kad Vadaha Kadat Kad Vadaha. So it is spashtam. So there is nothing to explain there. So Kad plus Rataha Kad Rataha. Kutsitaha Rataha Kad Rataha. Kutsitaha Vadaha becomes Kad Vadaha. Let me write here. Kutsitaha Rataha will become Kad Rataha. Similarly, Kutsitaha Vadaha will become Kad Vadaha. For this, there is a sutra. Okay. Nothing else is there further to explain here. Very Siddhanta Kaumudi. Kad Rataha, just example. Okay. Next one. Trinecha Jato. 63103. Trinecha Jato. 63103. Kashika says, and Trine, the word Trina, Jati Abhideya. Jati Abhideyayam Trina Shabda Uttarapade. Jati Abhideyayam. Then Koho Katiti Adesha Bhavati. Yata Katrana Nama Jatihi. Jati is important. Jati Abhideya when it specify a species. Jati. So Jati Abhideya. Jati Abhideya when it refers to a Jati and the Trina Shabda follows, then also Ku will be replaced by Kat. Therefore, Katrana Nama Jatihi. Jataviti Kim Kutsitani Trinani Putranani. There it is, doesn't happen. But when it refers to a species, Ku Kat will be when Trina follows, denoting a species. tat trinanama jatihi. So this is also spashtam. When trina shabda following the ku shabdas, when it abhideyas denotes a jati, then ku will be replaced by kat. Otherwise, no. Counter example, jato iti kim, why jati is that if it is not jati, then kutsitani trinani will become Chutradani. Okay. Then the next sutra. Actually, I write about this. Then next sutra, 63104. Kapatyakshayoho. Let me type that. Kapatyakshayoho. Kapatyakshayoho 63104. So this sutra says, who will be replaced by ka? Who will be replaced by ka when? When patin, then aksha follows. Iti etayoho parayoho uttarapadayoho hoho ka iti ayam adesha bhavati. Therefore, kutsitaha. What is Vigraha Vakya? Kapataha. You can tell the Vigraha Vakya. What would be the Vigraha Vakya for Kapataha? Who is replaced by Ka? When Patin follows. Tell me.
Sitapataha.
Huh?
Sitaha pataha.
Kutsitaha Pata. And please see, what is Shabda? Shabda is,
Patin shabda.
therefore, what is Pataha is?
Okay.
Hmm?
Mm.
Kutsitaha is Pratama Bhakti, right?
Yeah.
Then Kutsitaha, how can it be Pataha?
Yeah, that is
Pata.
Shashti. Yeah, Pataha is Shashti.
Pantaha.
Panta, yeah.
Pantaha, Pantano, Pantanaha, right?
Pantanaha, yes.
Kutsitaha, Pantaha. Who is replaced by ka? Therefore, ka. Then what is shabda? Shabda being, okay, we want to write the samasa entire thing, you can do ku plus su, then patin plus su. So I take it again, I take it for granted, that's why I'm not doing, but anyway, I'll do it. This is, we need to know, because na akara goes away, like Rajan here. Ku plus su, patin plus su, yes. Patin plus su, pratama bhakti ekvacham. Pantaha, pantano, pantanaha. Now, the entire thing is samasa, so pratipadikam, supodhatu pratipadikam. Look, then you have kupatin, right? Kupatin. When patin follows, ku will be replaced by ka. Therefore, ka patin. What will happen to nakara? Alopaha pratipadikantasiya. Then you apply. The whole thing is a patin. What will happen to patin?
Nakara Pratipadik. Vanish. Yeah, Nakara will.
How it will
It
go?
becomes Padam and Padam, and therefore Nakara will go.
How it will go?
Pantanakara.
How we see that finally pataha is there. So in has to go. So in must be a
Oh, okay. Tilopa will.
when tilopa happens, only when followed by, only when it enjoys. Nastadite requires that to be enjoying the sanya, basanya. Right? What is nastadite? Nastadite says nakarantasya basya te lopaha bhavati, right? Tadite pare partaha. So here in this patin, bring back to this, coming here. So patin shabdas here, that here in has to go. When it will go, only when it enjoys basanya. When it will enjoy basanya, there must be some pratyaya following, right? Otherwise, how does it enjoy? Achibam, right? It will be followed by some ajadi pratyaya. Then only it will enjoy basanya. So when do you add ajadi pratyaya? After deriving the samasa. You understand? It has to be samasanta pratyaya. Simple, right? Samas, you must know because we have seen the word patin, where when patin shabda is there, then patin, rajan, saki, etc. Then it will get a samasanta pratyaya, ach, rik, purabdhuv patam. Anakshay. Here you can see the words rik, purabdhu, then patam. Yasmin samase uttarapadam rik, purabdur, patin. Eteshu kinchana vidyate targi samasanta pratyaya abhavati. So nastadite will apply only when the samasanta pratyaya is there. That has to be ajadi pratyaya. Then only it will get basanya. Now we can apply nastadite. By that, in goes away. The fourth ka pat plus you get kapatha. Kapatha plus su, you get kapataha. Okay, I will add that sutram also here. So the answer is no kapata. Kapataha, not kapata, kapataha. How kapataha comes? Just we have to think that it must get a samasanta pratyaya. Then only it will become. Otherwise, patin nastadite. How that tilopa will happen? Tilopa happen only when when it enjoys basagya. Basagya is possible only when there is a pratyaya falling, samasanta pratyaya. Therefore, samasanta pratyaya is added. So here I will write similarly. Okay, kaksha will do. So we can note this sutram also. That is rik puhu abdur patham. This sutra you can note by this. And this sutra pada follows samasanta pratyaya is added. All the samasanta pratyaya sutra, related sutra can be collected and put in one place, but everything is there in 5-4 section. Samasantaha is a topic under which we have all these sutras. So I will write only for this patin related example, other example not required. So I'll copy from here the website. Yasmin samase uttarapadam rik pur abdur patin eteshu kinchana vidyate tasya samasantaha तस्य विषये अ इति समासान्तप्रत्ययः भवति परन्तु यत्र समस्तपदेन अक्षस्य विषये विधानां ते तर्हि अयं प्रत्ययः न भवति so akshay so that we will see so therefore this for this sutra we will do I'll copy only the examples for patin on the website here and if you see the kashika explanation then just maybe you can read quickly. Yasmin samase uttarapadam rik is vedasya rik mantra rik iti shabdaha pur is nagari then up is water dur is baraha tata patin is marga that is a word is there in our compound eteshu kinchana vidyate tasya vishaye a iti samasanta pratyayah bhavati parantu samastapadena akshasya vishaya katyate tarhi that's it anakshay danj is there okay danj is accepting aksha okay that is अथ सूत्रस्य प्रसक्तिः नास्ति so क्रमेण पश्यामः so here you can see ardham ruchaha ardham napumsakam by that sutra compound satpurushah ardham napumsakam by that this is compounded ardham napumsakam you remember ekadeshana ekadikarane that is 2 to 1 ekadeshi then ardham napumsakam only when Ardha is, the half is exactly half. Ardham Napumsakam. So Ekadeshi Naikadikanda coming as Anuvritti. So Ekadeshi Samasa. Ardham Napumsakam. By that Ardharcha. Then Vishnoho Puhu. Shashti. All these examples, I don't know whether we have seen Ardham Napumsakam. Vishnoho Puhu. Vishnupura. Dvayogo Gataha. Okay, Aneka Manya Padate Bhauri Samasa, for that example. Similarly, this is also Magati Dugu Yasya Saha. And Mahat will be replaced by Maha, we know, which is in Sutra in 60 section. An Magataha, that is Sutra. So Mahadur and Mahadura. Then Sakyihu Pantaha. Sakin plus Sakyuhu Shashti Bhakti. Therefore Shashti Tad Purusha. Shashti iti. Sakyuhu Pantaha. Sakin plus Patin. So what you get? Finally you get Sakipatha. Okay. So this example we can take. Sakyuhu Pantaha. This example for this sutra. Because Patin, the word is there in our sutra, therefore. So that example you take. Sakyuhu Pantaha. Udaharanam. Sakyuhu Pantaha is Shashti iti sutre. Sakin plus Patin. Shashti. That is a sutra by the Samasaha. Shashti 228. The sutrena Samasaha bhavati. Vartamana sutrena samasyante. Vartamana sutrena apratyah bhavati. So apratyah. Yojigitva Sakin. Sakyu Shashti Bhagi Supadhatu Pratipadika, all those things. Then the Patin. Then Nastadite will apply. Sakinitasya Padasanya. Prate Lakshanam. Padasanya will not go. Ataha na lopa pradipadikantasiya, by that sutra, Patin Shabdasya, Akara, Lopaha, not Nakara Lopa. Sakiniti Padasanya, Sakin Shabdasya, here Sakin Shabdasya Nakara goes away, not Patin Shabdasya, whereas Patin Shabdasya, T Lopaha Bhavati, by Nastadite. Patin, that is Pura Padasya, Nakaraha, Nalopa Padikante, Uttara Padasya, Nakaraha, not Nakaraha, that is T Lopa. So Patin Shabdasya, T, that is in Lopaha Jadi. When it enjoys Basagnya, here the Pratyaya, Samasanta Pratyaya follows, therefore Basagnya, therefore goes, that the T goes away. Therefore you get Saki Pat plus A Saki Pata. That is the example. Saki Hu Pataha Saki Pata. Okay, now this is the example here. This is what is required. And Kashika also I will write Bhagurighi Nam Asvatyate. Okay. Ripur Durpatiriti iti evam antanam samasanam akaraha pratyaha vidiyate samasante akshena. Just one line Kashika. So I have put a star mark, therefore you can connect. So this is the connection. The steps I hope now you follow. Ku plus Patin, Ku Shabda Patin. Patin Nastaditya applies for that. The Samasanta Pratya is required, that is ordained by 5474. Therefore Nastadite is applied to Lopaha Bhavati. Then you get Ku. Ku will be replaced by Ka by the Sutra. By Sutra 63104. That is Sutra in the discussion 63104. Kapati Aksha. Now Aksha also is there. What will happen to Aksha? In this Sutra, Aksha is Na Akshay is there. Accepting Aksha. Kashika says Samasantaha Akshay na bhavati. When Aksha follows, what will happen? Kutsitaha Akshaha. Kutsitaha Akshaha. Aksha Uttarapade. Then it is simple. Okay, I will write that. Next, this is an example for this. Then here itself, I will write next one. Next example. Kutsitaha. Udaharanam 2. This is Udaharanam 1. Udaharanam 1, Kutsitaha Pantaha. Then Udaharanam 2. The example given is, what is the example? Six three one zero four. Kapataha is first example. Second example is Kakshaha. Kakshaha is the example for second example for 63104. So what would be the Vigraha Vakya for Kakshaha? Aksha Uttarapade, that is in the Sutra. Patin Aksha iti etayoho Uttarapadayoho. So when Aksha follows, then also Ku will be replaced by Ka. So if this is Kakshaha, what would be the Vigraha Vakya? Kutsitaha,
Kutsitaha Kaksha.
Kutsitaha Akshaha. Here Ajadi Achipare, Ajado Shabde Pare. Then what we said, Ku will be replaced by Ka, right? Koho Ka, Koho Kat, Tatpurushe Achi. Now this is exception. When Aksha follows, what happens? Ku will not be replaced by Kat, it will be replaced by Ka. Okay. So Aksha, iti Ajado Shabdo Pare, Apavadena, Ka Adesha Bhavati Ku Stane. So therefore Ku will be replaced by now Aksha. Aksha is Aksha. Okay, this Ku plus Aksha. When Aksha Shabda follows, Kusthitaha Akshaha, then Ku plus Su, Aksha plus Su, Ku will be replaced by, Ku is replaced by Aksha, sorry, Ku is replaced by Ka. 1 minute. Yeah. So then so therefore Ka plus Savana Dirgha Sandhi, finally you get Kaksha. Kaksha plus Su, Kakshaha. Iti. Now here Aksha, see, please see the previous one, that is in the Samasanta Pratyaya, that sutra that is Rik. Ritu. Yeah, here. Akshay. Akshay is Akshin. Akshin is different, Aksha is different. Here, Akshasya Vishaye. Here, Aksha Uttarapade. That's why we don't add Samasanta Pratyaya here. Aksha, axis of a wheel. So, counter example, you will see. Atra Yadyapi Akshasya Nirdesha Bhavati Tatapi Apratyasya Pratyeka. Okay. So here, Drada Duhu Yasya Saha, an axis whose weight is heavy. Drada Duhu. But Atra Yadyapi Aksha Shabdasya Avayavah Nasti. Therefore, Akshasya Nirdeshaha Bhavati Atrapi Apratyasya Prasaktihi Nasti. Okay. So this is the word Yisheshaha. The point here you can know. यदि अक्षशब्दः पूर्वपदेन विद्यते तथापि समस्तपदेन अक्षशब्दस्य निर्देशो भवति चेदपि अप्रत्ययस्य समासान्ते नैव प्रयुज्यते. यत्र समस्तपदेन अक्षस्य सम्बन्धि विधानं क्रियते तत्र तु वर्तमानसूत्रस्य प्रसक्तिः नास्ति. The sutra will not apply. When in a compound, there is a when compound talks about the axis, the aksha, then samasanta pratyaya will not apply. Will not apply. Okay. So therefore, no samasanta pratyaya in our case also here. So aksha plus su, aksha only, no samasanta pratyaya. Directly we can add and do. But when akshin follows, that means different. Akshin is I. Kutsite akshini yasya saha. That is Bhuvurigi samasa we can form. Anyway, that we will see later. That is not given here in some other context. That Kutsite akshini yasya saha. So that would be akshin. Akshin means I. So there we will see what will happen. That is the Bhuvurigi compound. Okay. So this here you can note Kakshaha. That Bhuvurigi compound also we will have Kakshaha. Kutsite akshini yasya saha. There you will have Kakshaha. Okay. This is just for understanding I will write. See, Kutsite akshini. Akshini is akshini shabda napumsakalinga. Akshi akshini akshini. So akshi akshini 2 eyes netre ityartaha yasya saha. The one who has got Kutsita aksha. So now this is a Bhuvurigi compound. So Ku and Akshin. So Akshin iti Akshinakaranta shabda. Akshi, Akshini, Akshini. Not Akaranta, not Nakaranta. Akshini is Ikaranta shabda. It is not Nakaranta, it is Ikaranta shabda. So Akshi plus Ku plus Akshi. Ku plus Akshi, Anekamanya Padarte by Bhuvurigi Samasa. It is a Bhuvurigi compound. There, what happens to Akshi? There, Samasanta Pratyaya, Shach will apply. It is given the next sutra, Bhuvurigau. See the next sutra, next or after. Akshnaha Darshanat. There is one sutra. Bhuvurigau. Bhuvurigau Sakti Ashnoho Swangat Shach 54113. So Bhuvurigi compound. Then what will happen? Shach Pratyaya to be added, Samasanta Pratyaya. Shach. So when Shach Pratyaya is added, then what will happen? Again, here we can apply SCA teacher. Therefore, E will go away. Therefore, Ku, then Aksha. Ku, Aksha. In the Bhuvurigi compound. And Shach Pratyaya, Shakaraha, Sha will be Pratyaya Shaha, Vapaha, therefore A only. So E will go over here. Therefore, you get Aksh. So Ku follows. Now, by this sutra, Ka Patyakshayoho, Ku will be replaced by Ka, then Ka plus Aksh, then A, then you get Kaksha. There also you get Kaksha in Bhuvurigi compound. You can see the application of Ku replaced by Ka. Ku is replaced by Ka even for Akshin Shabda in a compound, Bhuvurigi compound. Anyway, this is not related to this, but this is possible just to show you. We'll see in some other context. This Bhuvurigi compound we will see. So here it is Aksha Shabda. So by 63104, when Patin Shabda and Aksha Shabda follows, Ku will be replaced by Ka. So, okay. So here Patin, first example is Patin, and second example is Aksha. So therefore Kakshaha. And Samasanta Pratyaya is added. Okay. Fine. In the case of Aksha, we don't need add Samasanta Pratyaya because the sutra itself 5 for 74 negates anakshe, not for aksha. So no Samasanta Pratyaya, only in the case of patin alone. Okay. This is 5 for 74. Then the next sutra. So Kapsha also example we have seen. Coming back to our sutra. 63104. Ka Patyakshayaho. When Patina Raksha Shabda follows, who will be replaced by Ka? For Patin Shabda, Samasanta Pratyaya by the sutra 5474.
Both the aksha meaning the same ji here and that one both.
Aksha, yeah, Ka Akshaha. Aksha means wheel only, spoke, axis, not Akshin.
Okay.
Akshin is different. Here Aksha. Patin Shabda as a Uttarapada, then Samasanta Pratyaya, not for Aksha. By the sutras 54, that's what we said.
74,
74.
74.
So when Aksha Shabda is Aksha Shabda is there, then this Pratyaya, this will not be added. Pratyaya, Samasanta Pratyaya will not be added. Aksha se Vishaye na bhavati Samasanta Pratyaya. Okay. Any other explanation given? You want to see Padamanjari. Aksha Shabdena Tad Purushaha. Akshi Shabdena Bahuvrihi. That's what I explained. Akshi Shabdena Bahuvrihi Va. But anyway, that is not required. Leave it. If it is Akshin, Akshin is I. Netre, Akshi, Akshini, Akshini. Ikaranta Shabda. Akshi Shabdena Bahuvrihi Bhavati. Akshi Shabdena Tad Purushaha. Okay. So, but both you get the same form. Even in Bahuvrihi, if it is Akshin, you get Aksha, Kakshaha iti rupam. That the Vigraha Vakya would be Kutsite Akshini Yasya Saha Kakshaha. That is Bahuvrihi form. Here Aksha Shabdena Tat Purushaha Kakshaha iti. Okay. So this is Siddhanta Kaumadikara itself has given. So this is what I was telling. But anyway, that part is not required now. We will see later when we see Bahuvrihi. कापत्योः पतिनक्ष अनयोः परतः का इत्ययम् आदेशः स्यात् कापतं कुत्सितः पन्था इति विग्रहः सुगति समासः then he Nyasa says Rikpu by the sutra apratyah bhavati pata sankyayat adeh iti napumsakatvam. Okay, kapata iti pate tu bahuvrihi. Okay, kaksha shabde samasam darshayati aksh shabdena tat purushah iti kutsitam aksham indriyam iti विग्रहे कुगति इति समासः अक्षि शब्देन इति दर अक्षिणी यस्य इति उच्चिते अक्षिणी यस्य इति विग्रहे बहुव्रीगौ इति शच् प्रत्ययः भवति शच् इति समासान्त प्रत्ययः शच् इति शच् इति प्रत्ययः भवति. ओके, see aksham is not spoken here, it is indriyam. Okay. Uchitam aksham is indriyam. Uchitam aksham indriyam iti vigrahe tugati iti samasah ityartah. This is a word. Okay. Not indriya. Sorry, not wheel. Uchitam aksham. Uchitam aksha indriya it is. Okay. Indriya vachaka shabda it is. But aksha can mean spoke also. But also can mean yes, just check. The meaning of word aksha. Aksha is axle, one meaning is there.
Chakram,
And
Chakram he has given.
yeah, axle, one meaning. And the Indriya also meaning is there. That's why he
Yeah.
has given Indriya, sensual perception and organ of sense. So both meanings are there. What do you call in Hindi Aksha? Hindi? In one Hindi commentary, he has given
That-
Palmso. What is Palmsaha? Palmso. Palmso is axis. Maybe. So it can mean Aksha here can mean axle or it can mean Indriya. But as the Nyasa Padamkara says, the Balamanarama, he says, Kuchitam Aksham Indriyamiti. It takes Aksham to be Indriya, but axle also it is possible. Okay. If you can tell me the Hindi meaning, I will be Palmso. I don't know what is Palmso in Hindi. Palmso. Axle. Okay, so this you can take anyway. It says so you can take Balamanarama, Kutsitam Aksham Indriyam Iti Vigrahe. Then it becomes by Kugati Pradeha Kakshaha. So that we can take. So right here. Kutsitam Aksham Indriyamiti Vigrahe Kugati Pradeha Samase. Kugati Iti Samasaha Ityartaha. So here we can take Aksha to be Indriya, or Aksha can mean axle also. We can take organ, sense organ, or axle also. Both meaning can be taken. So it is Aksha Vachaka Shabda, Aksha meaning Indriya Vachaka Shabda, atava this axle Vachaka Shabda. So follows, then who will be replaced by Ka. Okay. I think this is enough. We'll move on to the next sutra. Okay. Then Kapati Akshayoho. Asu also doesn't give the meaning. Aksha just says Aksha. The next sutra, Ishadarte, a little in that meaning. Ishadarte be Koho Kabhavati. So take Kashika. I'll copy in a file later. I'll explain quickly. We'll complete this at least today. Ishadarte Vartamanasya. Koho, that is two Shabda will be replaced by Ka. Ishadarte, Ka Maduram. Ka Maduram means little, it is little sweet. Ka Maduram. Ka Maduram, Ka Lavanam. So what will be the Vigraha for this? Vigraha must be Ka Maduram is
Sitam Maduram.
Ishad Maduram. Okay. Not
Oh,
Kuchita Maduram.
Ishad.
Because
Okay.
Ishadarte.
Okay.
So Ishadarte. Vigraha would be Ishad. Ishan Maduram. You can see Nyasa or Ugati. Ishat. Jalamiti. Vigrahe. Ugati Samasaha. So Kajalam as Ishad Jalam. Comes Kajalam. So Ishad Jalam. Similarly here also. Ishad. Ishan, we can do Sama Sandhya also. Ishan Maduram. Anunasika, right? Ishan Maduram, Ka Maduram. Similarly, Ishat Lavanam, Ka Lavanam. Ishat Jalam, Ka Jalam. So we can make. But here, Lavanam, Ajadav Paratvat Kadeshaka Eva Bhavati. Yeah. Ajadav Parataha, Ajadav Api. We have said before, Ajadav is there cut, but this is Apavada. Ishadarte, even if it is Ajadav, it will be Ka. Yata Kamlam. Kamlam is Ishat Amlam, right? Ishatam Amlam.
Says Ka is the substitute of Ku only, no? Then the
Ka
Vigraham
is a
will
subject
be.
to. Yeah. Huh?
No, then Vigraham will be Kutsita, no? Only the meaning of little. Should we use the same Ishad here for the Vigraha?
Vigraha it is Ashwapada Vigraha Samasa. So Ishad Amalam will be the Vigraha. Ishadarte Ku is used.
Okay.
That's why Ishadarte he says. Ishadarte Ku Bhavati. Ishadarte Vartamanasya Koho Kaiti. Okay. There's no Ku Amalam. Then Ku Amalam, the Ku Maduram become, there's no word. Ka Maduram only. So, I mean, sorry, that's an Ishad Maduram. Ishad Maduram, it's not a compound. Ishad Maduram, Yastapada. But the Ku has got other meanings also. Therefore, you have to tell the Vigraha Vakya would be Ishad Maduram Deva. It is Nitya Samasa. So, Ishadarte Ku iti Shabdasya Prayoga Bhavati. Therefore, in Vigraha Vakya should be clear, right? So, therefore, there we say Ishad Maduram. Then, and here this point can be noted, even when Ajadav Pratyaya Pare, Ku Pratyaya Sthane Ka Adesha Bhavati. Okay. So, it's Apavada to Kohoka Tadpurushachi. Ishad Amlam becomes Kamlam. Similarly, Ishad Ushtam becomes Ka plus Ushtam Koshtam Sandhi Adguraha, therefore Koshnam. So, you can write Ishad Ushtam, Ishadarte Ku plus Ushtam, Ku will be replaced by Ka plus Ushtam, A plus E, A plus U, Koshnam. Similarly, Ishad Amlam, Kamlam. So, Ishadarte. This is one. Then next one. Vibhasha Purushe. Purusha is when Purusha Uttarapada. The word Purusha follows. Purusha Uttarapade Pare. Then Vibhasha. Optionally, Ku will be replaced by Ka. If it is not Ka, then what will be? Ku will remain as it is. That's the first example we saw. Kutsitaha Purushaha. So Kutsitaha Purushaha is Ku Purushaha. Optionally, by this sutra, we have Ka Purushaha also. So Kutsitaha Purushaha is Ka Purushaha. Optionally, we have. Okay. Ishadarte tu Purva Pratisheda Nityam Ka Bhavati. Ishad Purushaha will be Ka Purushaha. Ishadarte tu Purva Pratisheda Nityam Ka Bhavati. If it is Ishadartha, then Purva is Pratisheda, by that Ka Purusha only will happen, not Ku Purushaha. Okay, that is a point you can note. The sense of Ishad, if it is used, then it is Ka Purushaha only, not Ku Purushaha. The substitution is compulsory in the sense of Ishad, little. Okay, this is for the word Purusha following Ku. Then the next sutra. Kavam Choshne. What is Kavam Choshne? Cha Ushne. When Ushne Uttarapade, then Ku will be replaced by Kav. Kavam is Kav. Ku will be replaced by Kav. Ushna Uttarapade. Then Ku will be replaced by Kavam. This is again Kacha Vibhasha. Kacha Vibhasha for the previous sutra. Koshnam we saw. Now optionally we have Ku Kutsitam. Ushnam becomes Koshnam by the previous sutra. Koshnam by the previous sutra. Koshnam Ishadarte. Ishadarte. Here we saw the example. Koshnam. So Ishadarte, Ku will be replaced by Ka. Now here Ushne Uttarapade. So here we have three forms. One is Koshna by the Ishadarte. Another one is by when Ku is followed, and Ku will be followed by Ajadi Pratyaya, then Ku will be replaced by Kat. Kadushnam is another form. Another form by this sutra is Kava. Kava will be the Adesha. Kava plus Ushnam becomes Kavoshnam. So three forms are there. Ushna Uttarapade, Ku Pratyasya, Ku Shabdasya Sthane, Kava Adesha Bhavati. So Kava can come, Ka can come, or Kat can come. Kat by Tatpurushayachi by the sutra. And Ishadarte Koshnam. Then by this sutra, Kavam cha Ushte, Kavoshnam also possible. So three. Ka and Kavang. That is Kavang, it becomes cow. Okay. Not cow, it is kava, not Kavang. Kavam, it is a mistake. Okay. Kavam, not Kavang. Kavam means don't think iyang uvang, not like that. It is Kavam iti ayam adesha bhavati. So Kavam means you have to take kava, like Pala Shabda, Pala is a Pratipadikam, similarly Kavam. So Kava is the adesha. Okay. So three forms are there because Vibhasha coming as Anuvritti for this sutra. So Ko Ka Ushte Uttarapade Kava iti adesha api bhavati by the sutra, by the previous sutra Ka, and by the Utsaka sutra at the beginning, Tat Purusha Achi Pare, Tat also. So three forms for Ushna. Okay. Isha Darte, who is replaced by Ka. So that meaning is, so that you have to do. When the Isha Darta is, then you have to say Koshnam only. No. Isha Darte, if it is there, you can, in fact, you can use in all the meaning because that is what the sutra says, not Koshnam. Koshnam also can be said, or Kavoshnam, or Kadushtam, anything can be, because this Isha Darta also is given an optionality for Ushta Shabda. When Ushta Shabda follows, so the optionality is given. Okay. So Koshnam means could be Isha Dushtam. Kavoshnam could be Isha Dushtam or whatever maybe the meaning. Kutsita Arte. Kutsita Arte, Isha is also one. The other meaning also possible. So that optionality is given for the Uttarapada Ushna. Then the next sutra, Pati cha Chandasi. Chandasi Veda Vishaya. Pati cha Chandasi, optionally, not optionally, Chandasi Veda Vishaya, optionally coming as Anuvritti, of course. So in the Veda Vishaya also what happens? Pati Shabda Uttarapade, this ku will be replaced by Kavam. Ko Kavam, ka is also possible. Iti eto adesha bhavati vibhasha. So therefore, who will be replaced? Kupataha is first one bisa, Kuchitaha, Pantaha, the bisa. In Chandasi, this is in the Veda. Then by the sutra, Kavapataha. Kava is Yadesha in the place of Ku. And by the previous one, Kapataha also. Kapataha by the sutra, 6.3, just now we saw. Ku Shabda will be replaced by Ka when Patin Shabda follows. Therefore, Kapataha we get. In the Veda Vishaya, then this optionality is given. Therefore, Kupataha also possible. Kupataha, Kusitaha, Pantaha, Kupataha, or Kapataha, or Kavapataha. In Veda Vishaya, this optionality is there. Okay. Kupataha, when do you get? Because this Adesha is optional. When you don't do the Adesha, then Kupataha. If you do the Adesha we have two options. Iti Adesho Bhavati Vibhasha. So, Kogo, Kavam, or Ka. When Ka comes, Kapataha. When Kava comes, Kavapataha. And Adesha is optional. When we don't do the Adesha, then Ku is naturally the Kutsitaha. That Ku will be there, Kupataha iti. So three forms are there for the Veda. Veda is, don't worry, not required. I think up to this 63108, now see the Sutra Pata. We have covered all the Sutra. Changes happening to Ku Shabda 63101 to 63108. The sutras are not that much important. You have to know the first one is important. Koko Kattat Purushayachi. Then all these are specific. Isha Darte is important. When Isha Darte is there, then who will be replaced by Ka? That is important. Of course, Purusha is, which is used frequently, the word Purushaha, etc. Therefore, that Vibhasha, Purusha is a Purusha Shabda is a, we have optionality. Therefore, we have Kupurushaha or Ka Purushaha also two forms. So this I will put it in the notes later. This is the changes happening to the Ku. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, dear.
Okay, with this, Ku is over. Ku is done. Now, after that, I will write all the sutras here. Okay. Then, after Ku, what is that? This is about Ku. There is nothing else to be covered about Ku. So, Ku Gati Pradeha, what is Ku? First we define what is Ku and changes happening to Ku in 6.3 section. The next one is Gati and Pradeha. This Sanya needs to be known. For that, we have to go to the section 1.4. It's a big section. A lot of sutras are there. Gati Sanyaka Sutra that we need to know the meaning of Gati. So let us see 1.4 section. The last class we just started, I guess. The Pragrishvara Nipataha. But also from the website, and I will explain. I will add my notes later. Pragrishvara Nipataha. You can see that's the next sutra. 1.456. So here from here, we are going to do. First, we are going to define what is Gatihi and Pradeha. This is a topic. First, let us see the Sanya. Understand what is Gati and Pradeha. Because they are the Sanya. So the words getting the Sanya, Gati, and the words which are Pradi. Now, that is defined from 1.456 onwards. Pragrishvara Nipataha. Prag is, Padachedam Krutva. Prag, then Rishvara. That is Sutra Adi Rishvare. This is the Sutra 1497. Rishvare. This is the Rishvara. Up to that. Iti etasmat. Prag. What happens? Nipata Sanyakaha Bhavanti. They get the Sanya. Nipata. That is from 1.456 onwards. 97. So all the sutras we have to cover. They define Nipata, under Nipata only Gati and Pradeha, even Karma Pravachaniya, those Sanyas are important in the case of Vibhakti also. They are connected, Vibhakti, Karma Pravachaniya. All these are Sanya. So Pragrishvara Nipataha, Nipataha are Abhyayam, Swaradi Nipatam Abhyayam. So therefore all these are Abhyaya. The words in the Swaradi are Abhyaya, Swaradi, they are all Swaradi Nipatam Abhyaya, and Nipatas are defined here, therefore Abhyayas. Now, from the sutra up to the sutra 1497, whatever said in Pratama Vibhakti, they get the Sanya, Nipataha. This is, my translation here. Asmat Sutra Dharabhya, Adirishvare, iti yavat uktanam shabdanat, Nipataha, yavat uktanam shabdanat, Nipataha iti Sanya Bhavati. So Prakta Sutrena Nipata Sanyayaha Adhikaraha Prarabhyate. So Nipata Sanya starts from year 1456. Adir Ishvare up to the Sutra. Adir Ishvare. It is Sutram Yavat Ayam Adhikara Pravartate. Asmin Adhikari Nidishtani Sarvani Shabda Swarupani Nipat Sanyakani Bhavanti. Iti Sutrasya Ashayaha. So Chadayaha Asatve next Sutra. Iti Nirdishte Chadigane Vidyamanaha Sarve Shabdaha. Nipata Sanyakaha Bhavanti. What is Chadigana? Chadayaha Asatve, not Dravya. So Chadigana, if you see, Cha, not, it is not Dravyavachi Shabda, Chadihi. Cha, Vaha, lot of words are there. All these are Chadayaha, Nipataha, therefore they are Avyayam. Okay. How do I get Avyaya Sanya? Because they are Nipata, therefore Avyaya. Chadayaha Asatve. Asatve means not Dravyavachi. That is what Asatve is. Asatvam, Asatvam. Tasmin Asatve, Nanchtat Purusha. So Chai, etc., get the Nipata Sanya when they are not Asatva, when they are not a Dravya. Dravya means a substance. Dravya means a substance. So therefore, Asatve, not Sattva, not Dravya. Sattva is Dravya. Therefore, here Asatva means not Dravyavachi. Therefore, doesn't refer to any name of a thing. That is Pradeha, that is Chadeha, Nipataha. Then Pradeyaha, Pradigana. Iti anena Pradigana Nidishtaha Shabdaha. How many words are there? Around 20, 21 words are there. They are called Upasarga when they are when they are have association with Kriya Padam, Kriya Yoge. So Pradayaha, Pra, Para, Pasam, Anu, this, Nir, Dus, etc. All these are Pradayaha, Nipata Sanyakaha Bhavanti. Then the next sutra, next one. Uryadi, Sri Dajascha, this we have to see. This is important sutra. We'll discuss all the sutra here, 1461. So here, Sri Pratyayantaha, Nipada Sanyaka Shabdaha Bhavanti. Here also Uryadi, Sri, the Sri is a Tadita Pratyaya, Dach also. So Antaha Shabdaha, Nipada Sanyaha Bhavanti. Now this Nipada Sanyayaha, this Sanya Pradesha, where this Nipat Sanya is used, you can see. Nipata Eka Chanang. This is the context. What is the context here? Nipata Eka Chanang, 1114. Remember, it is Prakrigya context. What is Prakrigya? Idu de Dvivachanam Prakrigya. Remember? Prakrigya Sandhi Prakriti Bhavaha. So under that, if you see Nipata Eka 1114. See, all this you can recall. First chapter, the beginning itself, it is Idu de Dvivachanam Prakrigyam. So there, Prakrigyam going as Anuvritti up to 19th Sutra. So all these are Prakrigya, right? From 11th Sutra onwards up to 19th Sutra, all Prakrigya Sanya. There we have Nipata Eka Chanang, the word Nipata is used. So this is a Sanya Pradesha where it is used. Similarly, in other places also. Swarati Nipatam Abhyam, there also Nipata is used. So defining Nipata and then saying it as Abhyam. Then Pragrishvara Nipataha, there also it is used. So many places you can see. So Nipata Sanyayaha Vishaye, Eka Sanya Adhikara na Pravartate. What does it mean? Nipata Sanyayaha Vishaye, Eka Sanya Adhikara na Pravartate. Means, what do you understand?
So in the context of Nipata Sanya, that Eka Sanya, one Shabda will have only one Sanya, that this thing is not there.
Yeah, why? Because, why he says that? Because Akadarat Eka Sanya is the first sutra of the first, the section, fourth section of the first chapter, 1-4, right? In 1-4 only we have the sutra, Nipata Sanya. And Nipata saying Nipata, after the Pradayaha it is defined, and Gatihi, Upasarga, so many names are there, right? For Pradayaha has got the Sanya Upasargaha in Kriya Yoga, and they are got Gatihi also. So 2 Sanyas are given. So, because it is in the Akadara Eka Sanya Adhikara, and therefore he says that the Eka Sanya Adhikara, that Nipata, that is not applicable for Nipata Sanya. Okay, this Eka Sanya Adhikara na pravartate Nipata Sanya Yaga Vishage. With regard to Nipata Sanya, the Eka Sanya is not applicable. So it means it can have other Sanyas also. Because by giving other Sanya, see, Pradeha is, just see this, Pradeha Upasargaha Kriya Yoge. So the words in the Pradigana, Pra, Para, etc., they get Sanya Upasarga. When? Kriya Yoge, right? Kriya Yoge means when they are associated with a Kriya. Like the Agachati, Upakramati, Avagachati, etc. Upasarga, get the Sanya, they get the Sanya Upasarga. What about Gatihi? Gatihi also Pradeha only, and Kriya Yoge only. Like the example, Shukli Kritya, right? But Shukli Kritya, is it a Kriya Padam? It's a compound. There, Shukli is Subantam, Kritya is another Subantam. So Subantam Subantena Samasyate. There we need a Sanya Gati. Therefore, only Kugati Pradeha we can form Samasa. Understand? Why? The same set of words are given 2 names, Upasargaha and Gatihi. Because Gati Sanya is required to form Gati Samasa. Understand? Avagachati is Samasa. Where Ava is that? Kriya Yoge Gachati. Is it a compound?
No, it is not. No.
It's a Kriya Padam. Whereas we have the Upasarga will be there, like Prakritya, for example. Prakritya, what is Prakritya? Prapurvaka, then Krudatu, then Tvapratyaya, Because of upasarga, twa is replaced by lyap. Therefore, prakritya is a compound. Prakritya is a compound. Understand? So all those things we will be seeing. Gati samasa, I guess.
All
Prakritya.
the lep will be the samasa then, sir?
Yes, it's all compound. Because prakritya is subantam and pra will not get the upasarga there. It will get a because upasarga, why the pra is gati sanya? Because compounding is to be done with other word. Therefore, there we require the sanya gatihi. Right? So prakritya, good example, prakritya is a compound. Prakarshena kritya ityartha. Pra is upasarga or gati. Because samasa is formed, means it will be formed by samasa vidayaka sutra. What is samasa vidayaka sutra? Kugati pradeha. Not ku upasarga pradeha, right? Kugati pradeha. That gati, the word is, so the pra has to be, has to enjoy the gati signa. So that compounding can be made. Pra, subantam padam, samartena subantena saga samasyate, samasaha bhavati, kugati pradeha sutrena, right? So therefore we need that. That is why another sanya, one more sanya for the pradeha gatihi. Therefore, eka akadad eka sanya digare vartamane api, that is not applicable. Eka sanya digara na pravartate nipada sanya yaha vishaye. Understand? So that's what he says. You follow what I'm saying?
Yes.
Yes, Shanji.
Prakritya sutram akadad eka sanya iti anena nirdishta eka sanya adhikare vartate asti. So this is under eka sanya. You know, akadad eka sanya starting from here up to where it goes. Kadara Karbadari. Every class we chant, we know Kadaraha. Second chapter, second section, last sutra. It means 142122. All these are eka sanya adhikara. अस्मिन् अधिकारे यत्र द्वे उत अधिकारसंज्ञाः पाठ्यन्ते तत्र केवलं परा अनवकाशा च संज्ञा विधीयते इति अस्य अधिकारस्य आशयः अस्ति परन्तु एतादृशम् एकसंज्ञात्वम् अत्र निपात प्रकरणे नैव स्वीक्रियते. दिस् इस् नाट् अप्लिकेबल फॉर निपात. अस्मिन् अधिकारे यत्र द्वे उत टू और मोर अधिक संज्ञाः पाठ्यन्ते संज्ञास् आर् गिवन् तत्र केवलं परा अनवकाशा च संज्ञा विधीयते इति अस्य अधिकारस्य आशयः. So in this adhikara, that which enjoys one or more sanya, then tatra that anavakasha means there is no scope for giving another sanya, only eka sanya. Anavakasha. Parantu etadrisham eka sanyatvam nipata prakarane ityukte asmin prakarane patitaha upasargaha gatihi yatacha karma pravachanyaha another sanya going to come. The three sanyas are there for the words in the pradigana. एताः तिस्रः संज्ञाः येषां शब्दानां मुक्ताः सति तेषां सर्वे समापि निपातसंज्ञा अवश्यं भवति एव. That's why they are अव्यय. Because सर्वाणि निपातसंज्ञकानि निपातकानि अव्ययसंज्ञकानि प्रातिपदिकानि च सर्वेषाम् अपि निपातनं स्वरादिनिपातम् अव्यय by that sutra they enjoy अव्ययसंज्ञा. Similarly, एवमेव अर्थवदधातुकप्रत्ययप्रातिपदिकम् इत्यनेन एते शब्दाः प्रातिपदिकसंज्ञाः अपि भवन्ति. केचन निपातः तु अनर्थकाः भवन्ति. निपातस्य अनर्थकस्य प्रातिपदिके वक्तव्य इति वार्तिकेन. Okay, let's just copy paste it. Okay. केचन some निपाता they are अनर्थकाः भवन्ति तेषामपि निपातस्य अनर्थकस्य प्रातिपदिकसंज्ञा वक्तव्या इति वार्तिकम् प्रातिपदिकसंज्ञा अवश्यं भवति. अतः एतेभ्यः शब्देभ्यः सुप् उत्पत्तिः अपि भवति. परन्तु अव्ययेभ्यः विहितानां सुप्रत्ययानां what will happen? अव्ययताप्सुपः लुक् इति सूत्रेण लुक् भवति. अतः एतेषां सर्वासु विभक्तिषु सर्वेषु वचनेषु तेषु लिङ्गेषु रूपाणि समानानि भवन्ति. That we know. Like that for cha is giving the example, which the website only. Cha plus su. Su will go away. Avyatapsupah su. That is the reason why avyasanya is ordained. Okay. Then anena prakarena vakya prayuktani sarvani api nipatani padasanyakani eva bhavanti. So nipata avyaya is avyat apsupaha, it will become look patesha look bhavati, therefore get padam only. Ekachkani nipatakani pragurgya sanyakani आंग इति निपातं विहाय अन्ये ये निपाता संज्ञकाः शब्दाः एकाचकाः इत्युक्ते येषु एकः एव स्वरः अस्ति तथा च किमपि व्यञ्जनं नास्ति तेषां निपात एकाचनाङ् इति सूत्रेण प्रगृह्यम् इति संज्ञा विधीयते. ओके, निपाता एकाचनाङ्, निपाता which have only one ach, they get the संज्ञा प्रगृह्यम्. That is defined in the sutra 1114. निपातं विहाय आंग निपातं विहाय, आंग इति निपातं विहाय other nipata sanyaka shabdaha which have got only one ach, they will get a sanya pragurgyam. Okay, just it is giving that a, I, all these are ekachkaha ataha pragurgya sanyakaha nipataha. Okay, all these are not required, but anyway, this is explaining the sutra nipata ekachanam, which we have not seen, just a note. So accepting the nipatam and all other ekasanyakaha, this एकसंज्ञकाः निपात एक अचकाः निपात संज्ञकाः प्रगृह्यं संज्ञा भवति. That is 114. Okay, that not important now. First, let us understand what is nipatam. Pragrisha nipataha. So under this adhikara only, that all the other words come. Okay, I think we'll discuss this in the next class. So Pragrishwara Nipataha, we'll discuss the sutras here. There are so many sutras. We have to discuss all. I'll just quickly go through all the sutras. It's on the website only. Just read this and Kashika. Simple explanation. Important words are Pradi, Pradayaha, Pasargaha, Gatihi, of course Nipataha, then Karma Pravachaniya. Te Pragdatoho, that's another important. That is Te Pragdatoho, Upasarga will come before the Dhatu. Chandasi Pareyavati, Devagitascha, this also we will see. Okay. So after this, then we will get into the Gati Sanya. And here another important sutra is Uryadi Chvidachascha. In fact, this sutra we will discuss elaborately and we will form Gati Samasa. Okay. After this, we will go to the Tugati Pradeyaha. There we have the Vartika. Four or five Vartikas are there. That is important Vartika. We don't chant that, but now we will chant. Pradeyaha, Gatadyarte Pratamaya, Atyadeyaha Krantadyarte Dvitiyaya, Avadeyaha Kushtaadyarte Tritiyaya, Paryadeyaha Glanadyarte Chaturtya, Diradeyaha Krantadyarte Panchamya. All the examples you will see. Dvitiyame Dvitiyaya Subantena Saha Samasyate. Pradi. So Pratama, Dvitiya, Tritiya, Chaturthi, Panchami, all the Vibhakti. Important Vartika. That alone makes this from this sutra a bigger one. Okay. After that only Upapada. Then Gati, Pradi, then Upapada Samasa. Okay. So we'll stop here. We said 7:30, 15 minutes, quick more. Okay. So Ku is over. Now Gati. Gati to be defined. We'll define it next class. So any questions you want to ask, please ask.
We can go through it. Almost we can understand. Once if you go through it, it will be more clear.
Okay. So let's stop here. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. This Kugati Pradaya is not there in the Ashtadhyayi Pravesha. Not discussed. As I know, I have not seen. If you see, let me know. The Samasa, it is not there. After that, I mean, Abhibhava Samasa is given Bhuri some compound. It's not given Gati, Gugati Pradya. Maybe somewhere you would have discussed, I don't know, but not in the Samasa. Okay, then check. Okay, धन्यवादः.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ವಿಜಯ್.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಜಿ.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಶ್ರೀ.